At this video, we will demonstrate how to invite an executor to a Life Vault account. Let's start with login to an existing Inherit Life Vault. The pop-up tells us that this account has no executors set up. Click Invite Contact, and the system will present a basic executor invite. Enter your executor or attorney details. Also add a personal note that we will add to the invitation email. Click Save and Invite and the system will send an invite to your executor. Now let's have a look at the executor email. The email will include an invitation details, a unique confirmation link and your personal invite note. When executors click the invite link, we will ensure his or her identity by asking to log in to Inherit. At this instance, executor log in with Google account. Once login, the accounts are linked and the executor gain the ability to request for access in the future. In the future, executor can log in again, provide the required identification and documents and access your data.